Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. And in today's video I will be reviewing a package that I received from the company called Wiskf, and I'll put their name across the screen here for you, and it's spelled W-I-S-K-F. And they sent me over this bag that I chose out, and I'll show you in a minute what it looks like. But yeah, on their website they have items like tote bags, aprons, and all other kind of things, and they also have items that are $4 or below that you can choose from as well, and you can't beat that at all. And they also gave me a code for 5% that I will put across the screen and leave in my description box as well. So yeah, let me go ahead and open up what they received me, well, what they sent me, and show you what it looks like. And I chose this one here out of all their tote bags because I thought it was the cutest to me. But they have different varieties that you can choose from. And this is here. It's black with my initial on it, with the cute little flowers and everything like that. So I thought it was cute. And who can't use a tote bag? You know, with all of these grocery stores, they're either charging you for bags now, or they're just doing away with plastic bags, paper bags, or whatever. So it's a good time to start collecting either these reusable tote bags, or as you've seen in stores, you know how you could buy those reusable tote bags as well. So yeah, if you're interested in this item here, as well as, like I said, they sell aprons and all kind of different things here, and I'm gonna put up on the screen a couple items from their website to show you the different prices and everything else that they have there as well. So yeah, and also the product for this link, the link to this item here, will be in my description box, as well as a direct link to their website, so you can go ahead and check them out. So yeah, I just want to hop on here really quick and show you this cute little bag that I received from them. So yeah, that is it. Just a simple little short little video to show you what I received. And if you like this, as well as whatever you've seen on the screen here from their website, go ahead and head on over and use my code, which again I'm gonna flash across the screen, and it is Sharice05 off for your 5% off on your purchase. Talk to y'all soon. Take care, guys.